How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's currently 8 a.m. Georgia time, and I'm on my way to MidPond Raceway and Race Complex in Alabama. It's about 2 hours away from where I live. There's a drift event going on. If you guys from Z1 are going to be there, I've got my camera gear. So I figured today would be one of the first videos I actually do showing off my camera gear, me taking pictures with it. We're going to be out there all the way from 9 a.m. I think Alabama time to probably 2 or 4. I'm not positive yet. It's supposed to try and rain. I'm not sure how bad though, so we'll figure it out. But this is my first time going to MidPond. I've been to one other race event that was at Driven Lux Circuit. You might have saw the recap for that one not too long ago, using Keys music as the background. Be sure to check that one out. It was just a recap kind of cinematic video. Not very long, like 3 minutes. This one's going to be more vlog style. So hope you guys enjoy. We're going to be heading out there, like I said, 2 hours and 14 minutes. It's not horrible, but I've got a ride ahead of me, and we're in the Del Sol, so it's going to be a noisy and bumpy one, but we'll get there. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, guys, so we have made it to MidPond over in Alabama. We're currently getting set up. We've already signed the waivers and everything. Got quite a few nice cars here. So, be a little funny or finicky trying to figure out how to take photos while I video and stuff, but we'll figure it out. Make sure I get some good stuff for y'all. This thing right here is freaking wild. It's got a 6-liter Vortec, an E90 M3 chassis. Aimed right at me. Boy, already broke his shit. No. Oh, that's actually did. Hey, man. Dang, he took some ground with him. No. I won't. Scotty Earl's about to take me for a ride in the new and improved Brickyard. Kaiser. We'll go. can feel it wanting to grab.
Yeah. Not a huge fan of that.
It fucking ate though.
Yeah, it's fucked. Damn it.
How's it done? All right, that was absolutely wild. The Kendas are a little bit sticky though, so they were fighting him the whole time. So he's gonna try and figure out how to fight that. I'm gonna hop back on the track, trying to get some more photos. All right, guys, so I know I haven't been able to show it. Sounds like Nick clipped something with his wheel with the vert. Something's wrong with that. Also, he's got a bit of a timing rattle. The Brickyard is officially sent and is hey, it's a little rowdy over here. The Brickyard's done for. Motor popped. I'm gonna check on Ethan, see how it's going with his 240. How's it going?
No, we got new one. It's about on.
Your Brickyard's done?
Brickyard is done. R.I.P.
And Nick clipped something. He's got massive like chunk in his wheel. And it's got a bit of a rattle too, so.
Probably wiggled that exhaust loose or something.
I don't know, it sounded like right behind the motor. Like right on the back. So I'm gonna try and hop in with Jesse in a minute with his 240. All right. This thing eats, man. This is fucking sick. Yeah.
It doesn't look that great from the outside, but from the inside it's a blast.
Yeah, it's nice, bro. This is Lee's E36. Uh-oh.
Yeah! We got some help! Yeah, well, what do you want me to in third? Thank you! That's hilarious.
Yeah.
He's golden though. a blast.
This is, I love this thing, man. This is awesome.
Good car, right?
Yeah.
Temps have not moved.
That is surprising.
Right, dude? I'm driving this thing on damn near limiter.
Oh yeah, man. Hey,
Yeah.
appreciate that, dog.
Dude.
That was
it's
awesome.
a pleasure.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure.
That was Lee's E36. He knows how to send that shit like crazy. We got Ethan out there getting some more laps in. We might hit up the LS Swap 240 in a minute. He offered me a ride, so we'll see where he's at in a minute. Oh yeah, we're in Jesse's LS Swap 240. Been wanting to ride in this all day. I'm ready. Bet. You ready? Yes, sir. Let's do it. Absolutely insane, man. Uh-oh.
Translate, happy with that?
Like give him a thumbs up. We sent her a little hard. Going to see if we can get some help. We're thinking something happened with the alternator. Oh, Crown Vic's coming to give us some help. We'll see what happens. Shit, I appreciate it though.
For sure.
Yeah, I hate that it ended that way.
Oh,
It was a wild ride, man. I love this thing. Oh, that was Jesse's LS swap. Hopefully he's able to get it fixed before we have to leave. That was a lot of fun though. We'll see what's going on with the other folks.
it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun for the first time at MidPond. I've never been on here. I think this is my favorite drift track so far. Like I said, I've only actually been to Driven Lux Circuit and now this, but I like this one. A lot more going on with it. Everyone was cool, giving me ride-alongs. Appreciate them all. Can't wait to show you guys the pictures I got. I'll upload them kind of throughout the video if I can. And then I'll also be uploading them on Instagram. Just check me out. Yeah, innight.media_. And check out YouTube as well. Other videos. Hopefully I'll get some more going. But that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video.